Did you call 911?
Yes, I did. Our neighbor's bird keeps stealing my sunflower seeds. I want to press charges.
Do you have any evidence?
I got security footage.
All right, we'll take
And
a
maybe
look.
a witness.
Told you, no
Shut
more
up,
of that.
old bat!
Hey, you watch that mouth, Feathers. We don't talk like that in this
Bad
house.
house.
Bad house. This is not funny. One more word and you'll be in the laundry room all night.
Mama.
Ooh.
Mama.